Teen activist killed fighting silver mine, trying to save her family's land. Topacio Reynoso was a farmer's daughter. She grew up in the mountains of Guatemala in Central America. She wanted to stop a silver mine from being built near her home. Tahoe Resources is a Canadian mining company. In 2010, they bought a mine near Topacio's home. They wanted to dig up the metal called silver. Residents were worried about the mine because they thought it might hurt their water and land. Many Guatemalan leaders supported the mine because they thought the mine project would help the country by bringing jobs and money. In 2012, Topacio joined a protest against the mine and got many people to vote against it. In 2013, the Guatemalan government decided to let the Canadian company Tahoe mine. Topacio and many activists protested the decision. Many activists were attacked and kidnapped after protesting. On April 13, 2014, Guatemala's President Otto Pérez Molina moved to stop the protesters. He sent in troops and arrested activists. Topacio and her father were attacked. Topacio was shot and killed. Her father was injured.